Because it's hard because I'm batch winner, so I'm supposed.
Hindi pa tapos ang laban.
Hindi pa tapos. Siyempre na makakalaban natin sila.
Oo.
Sino makakalaban natin? Batch 4. Masahali man tayo mag-advance. Sila ang makakalaban natin.
Sobrang halaga po nitong pagkapanalo namin. Kasi alam na po sa last task namin, kuya, ito na yung pagkakataon para bumawi, para maitama rin yung pagkakamali namin, kuya. Sana makarating po kami hanggang yung kakampi namin ngayon maging kalaban namin, kuya.
Nag-grow tayo, be.
At least natuto na tayo sa mga pagkakamali
Oo.
natin. Sobrang nakaka-proud tayo.
Pero grabe talaga.
Thank you guys, Sapir. Tara.
Inom ng tubig, inom ng tubig.
Paglabas sa kwarto, pinuntahan ng Batch 1 ang kakampi at matutulungan nilang team, ang Batch 4.
Sobrang meron na kayong communication, meron na kayong relax lang kayo, 'di ba? Sabi ko, kahit anong mangyari, be confident and look confident, 'di ba? Focus lang kasi kayo sa kayo, hindi nyo tinitignan yung kabila. So, ang galing nyo. Proud po talaga ako, kuya, sa 4G. Kita ko yung fire sa kanila na gusto nilang bumawi. Para sa kanila, happy po ako. And syempre, happy rin po ako para sa amin kasi parang nanalo din po talaga kami.
Kung puno ng saya ang winning team sa may veranda, emosyonal si Ashley.
Because it's hard because I'm batch winner, so I'm supposed. We always try our best, and like it never works out for us. It feels like I failed my team. When I found out Kuya by the end, 1 point versus 17 points. I don't know how we went wrong, Kuya. It's like I keep failing my team, like sobra po.
Why crying?
I'm sorry.
No say sorry. It's okay. We chose you because we believe in you. We believe in both teams, but we know that we wanted to see you fight. That's why we chose you.
Nakakaya kasi sa inyo, babe.
No! No. Huwag kayo mahiya.
No, don't be sad. Yeah. We're proud of you guys because you guys adjusted.
You tried.
Batch 3, they're young and they're learning. So for now, encourage them. Tell them that right now is very important to have positive thinking. They did do their best and we're very happy about that. At the same time, we want to fight harder to make Batch 3 proud and happy to see us still giving our 100% as well. Don't leave each other out. I see you guys start without making sure everybody's ready.
Guys, excuse me for a second.
Okay.
Si Ashley na pag-isa muna sa kwarto.
I've been having trouble with that recently, voicing out. I don't know how. I really don't know how to voice out. I shouldn't be scared to talk to them, but why do I feel like if I say something or speak, that idea will get shut down? Like that's how it's making me feel like Kuya. So I'm just scared to open up to them about how I feel.
Ashley, para sa akin, the key to a strong team is for you to be able to communicate well.
Yes po. I know my housemates, Kuya Batit, Yen, and Dan po, they're strong. Bakit ang hirap mag-work as a team?
The best people who can answer that will be you and your teammates.
Yes po.
Only the four of you can figure out what the problem is.
Yes po.
Matapos makausap si Kuya, nilapitan ni Ashley ang kanyang mga kagrupo.
Not communicating well. I don't understand. We're all friends, right? We all have a good bond, but when it comes to this, why is it so hard for us to work in a team?
Hindi niya obserbahan ko.
Kahit ako, mali din ako eh.
Mali tayo talaga lahat.
Feeling ko hindi pa talaga natin gamay yung isa't isa. I know we're
No, totoo yun. We must listen each other. Tapos, voice out. Voice out what is your suggestions. kung ano man yung gusto nyo. Inaamin ko po talaga, kuya, na sobrang pagkukulang namin is yung communication at saka yung pag-unawa po ko sa isa't isa, yung pagkakaintindihan po. Yun po talaga. Kaya nga po, kuya, kami nag-decide kanina na mag-usap-usap. Talagang sinabi namin kung ano man yung problema, hinanakit sa isa't isa.
With me, right? Not just me, with Ate Yan, like we're scared of you, Kuya Pat.
Mapansin ko yun. Hindi kayo nag-voice out dahil sa akin. Ba't kayo natatakot?
We're scared to give suggestions because we don't want to disrespect your decision.
No,
like your
I understand it. I admit, kanina, wala na. Pumapasok sa isip ko, puro sa promise. So, iniisip ko lang yung sarili ko kanina. Totoo yun. Selfish for my strength ba?
Okay.
Ba? Hindi ko kayo minotivate. That's mali. Dapat every time, motivate ko dapat kayo kasi sa kuya. Dapat isa ako sa gagalaw para ma-motivate ko yung mga kapatid ko. Yun lang, parang sobrang laki ng mali pagkakamali ko sa inyo kanina, guys. Yeah, sorry. I will bawi next time.
Okay, Roy.
Dili okay.
Ay, at saka,
That's not okay.
ang ano pa sa atin, di ba ikaw focus kanina? So, ako minsan hindi
Yun,
na
yun,
focus.
Next time talaga, promise.
Promise.
Na-imagine ko ngayon.
You know,
Promise?
Promise?
Promise.
Promise, ha?
1, 2, 3! Ibay!